guys, so now I'm at Greenbelt 3 Park and I'm about to attend Knorr's event. So they're about to launch a new product and ito na yung stage. Galing kami sa likod. Okay.
Yeah. SavorRich. It's a liquid seasoning.
Oh, okay. So I'm here na, inside the tent where the event area is. I'm just waiting for everything to start. But there will be some cooking demo right behind me. Tapos may mga photo op somewhere there. And today is gonna be the launch of Knorr's new seasoning. You can see it there. May dalawang bottles, so there's gonna be 2 variants. And yep, we're just waiting for everything to start. It's about to start in about 3 p.m. Hello! So, kasama natin si Chris today. We are graced by Chris's presence in today's event for Knorr.
I saw you!
This afternoon, we've learned from the experts on how to make every dish. And now I'd like to also call on stage to join our Knorr Jirbie Go, Apples Averin, and Brian Chanyungko. Recipes that they did here today. Please tag us as well so we find out. Thank you for joining us. This
2, 1, my mom go.